Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you 3 simple ways to remove a blockage in the sink or in the bathtub. If your drain is not draining well or is completely clogged and the water is not draining at all, don't rush to call a plumber. Try one of the options I will offer and perhaps you will be able to solve the problem yourself. I think everyone knows that there is a siphon under the sink, and if you encounter a blockage you need to disassemble it and wash it. I showed how to do this in a separate video, a link to it will appear in the tooltip. But if you don't know how to do it or haven't disassembled the siphon for a long time, then it's better not to touch anything here or be prepared to go to the store and buy some spare parts. Therefore, before you start disassembling the siphon, especially if you have never done it, do what I'm going to show you now and you may be able to clear the blockage in your sink or bathtub. So the first option, what can be done? Take the wire, it should be quite rigid, and make a hook at the end. Slowly lower the wire into the drain, twist it, and carefully take it out. I recently cleaned the drain, so it's clean here, but in your case, hair and other debris may wrap around it. If you don't have any wire at hand, another option is to use a straw like this one. Take scissors and make small herringbone cuts. You should get something like this. You don't need to make very large cuts, otherwise the straw will break off and the broken part will remain in the drain. Now do the same, lower the straw into the drain, twist and carefully take it out. What else can replace the wire and straw? For those who like to knit, this can be a crochet hook, and if you have one, a bicycle spoke will also work great. Another option for cleaning the drain is to use a cable tie. This is how I get it out of the package. I advise you to also make a cut on the side, believe me, it is very convenient. In my opinion, using a cable tie to clean the drain is the best option, and I'll tell you why later. Close the cable tie so that a loop like this remains at the end. Next, using scissors, make herringbone cuts on the cable tie. The cuts are tenacious, there are many of them, the cable tie does not break, this is provided that you make them properly, and thanks to the loop it will not fall into the drain. You twist and take hair and debris out of the drain in the same way. And now look, if the siphon under the sink is high and relatively easy to clean, then the siphon under the bathtub and in the shower is usually low and you won't be able to clean it, for example, with a wire. But the cable tie is long enough, flexible and fits here very well. Twist it and take it out little by little. As you can see, I haven't cleaned here for a long time. I hope one of these methods will work for you to clean the drain and the water will drain normally after cleaning. If you like the tips, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.